Now, here's how you can make a call on the Apple Watch Ultra. Now, the basic premise behind this is pretty simple because you can easily just get inside your Apple Watch and locate the phone app. And when you get inside the phone app, you can just look up some of the contacts and just start calling them, right? But the problem is a little bit deeper than that because you need to know how exactly you have it set up, right? Because inside of the phone app, you can also just go to the recents or favorites, even go to directly to the keypad, type in the number and make a call. However, you need to know if you have a SIM card set up inside of your Apple Watch Ultra. Since we're talking about the Ultra, it's not like there's a difference between the cellular and a non-cellular version, as all of them are technically cellular. You just need to know if you have it set up that way. If not, if you don't have an eSIM set up with your Apple Watch, you're going to need to be in a touch or in contact with your iPhone, like the phone that your Apple Watch is paired with has to be nearby in order for you to be able to make a phone call. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to do it. So technically, you can make a phone call as an extension of your iPhone, or you can make a separate standalone call if you have an eSIM. So that's essentially how it works. That's how you can make a phone call with your Apple Watch Ultra. So yeah, and obviously everything can be managed within the watch application on your device, like on your iPhone, right? So you can manage everything in there, and it can be obviously set up in terms of like the cellular capabilities and everything is there. So let me know down below in the comments if there's anything else that you would like to know, because this is just kind of like a basic surface level approach to making phone calls. So yeah, but if you liked the video, make sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss videos like this. See you later.